Hi everyone! So today mag-unbox po tayo ng Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Edition. Napili ko itong Nike Edition kasi may exclusive watch face siya para sa Nike and may Nike Club Run-Up. Ang napili ko po is GPS version, space gray aluminum case. So let's open the box now. And here's the watch and the band. Napili ko is the Summit White. For online dito sa UAE, hindi available yung Apple Watch Studio, but I believe in other countries available yung Apple Watch Studio. Yung pwede kang mamili ng case na gusto mo for the Apple Watch and the bands. So let's open the box now. So here's the watch and some manuals. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So it's a quick start guide and then some instructions on how to connect your Apple Watch to your phone, charger adapter and the charger, and here's the watch with a nice little pouch. Ang ganda ng feel ng pouch na to kasi sobrang soft and mafe-feel mo talaga yung pagka-premium niya. And here's the watch. Yung sa Nike Edition, mayroon talaga siyang nakalagay na Nike sa likod. And now let's open the band. Anyway, this is the Nike Sport Loop. So it is reflective. For the Nike Edition, you can only choose yung Nike Sport Bands lang. Nike Sport Band or either Nike Sport Loop. Pero kung gusto mo yung ibang band, pwede naman mag-add ka lang ata. I don't know how much. Ang ganda din pala ng pagka-white nito. Kasi originally gusto ko talaga sana is yung black, kaso out of stock na kahit sa ang Apple stores dito. Tinry ko sa Dubai Mall pero wala. So tinry ko sa Mall of the Emirates meron naman pala. Ba't ko pa pala ito binalik? So attach na natin yung band sa watch. And try na natin i-on yung watch. Okay, so try natin i-pair yung watch with the iPhone. So, kailangan mo talaga ng iPhone to use the Apple Watch. Medyo matagal lang yung pag-pair pero finally ito tapos na. And let's try it on. Ang ganda. So, ayan guys. So, thank you for watching.